Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we are here doing another question requested from one of our students. All right, so let us begin. All right, so this is question number 6 from the uh, assessment, the high school assessment, and the division. And they're asking let's put it this way. The question states, uh, divide, uh, define the following terms, right? And they give you 4 terms. Dividend. Well, what is dividend? Dividend is referring to a math division problem, right? Let's write one on the board just for example. Let's say I have 5 divided by 2, right? And that's going to be equal to 2.5. So each part of this problem has a name, just like the bodies. So you consider this is a division problem, and each part of it, like we have arms and legs, each part of it has a name. The part that's being divided, right? The number you want to divide, that's this number right here. You're dividing this by 2. This is called the dividend. Okay, that's the dividend right there, right? The number being used to divide the dividend, that's this number right here, right? We say we're dividing 5 by 2. That's called the 2 is called a divisor. That's the one that divides that we're dividing by. Let's put it that way. Now, the quotient is the answer to this, right? So here we have this number right here. This is the answer, right? 5 divided by 2 gives us 2.5. So that's the answer. The answer to a division problem is called a quotient, right? So the answer to a division problem is called a quotient. And then finally, we have the remainder, right? So that's what's left over. So what is the remainder? It's actually part of the answer, part of the quotient. And for example, this is 2.5. This is a decimal number, right? Well, this 0.5 is not a whole number. We can actually write it in another format. It's fraction. If we write 2 1/2, right? That's the same as saying 2.5. So what's left over is this part right here, the part in the numerator of the fraction, that's the top part of the fraction. That's called the remainder. And it just is what's left over. Once you divide 5 by 2, you're going to get some whole number value, and then a fraction will represent what's left over out of that whole number, right? The bottom will be the whole number, right? So it's 2, and then the top will be the part of the whole number that's left out. We usually call that the remainder. So this part, 1 here is the remainder. And that's it. So I hope that helps. Okay. And let me know. You always can use the contact us form on the website and reach out to us via email. And I will see you on the next video.